about start பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Let me talk about the IC engines. So what is meant by IC engines first of all? Can you explain it? What is meant by IC engine? Internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine. The combustion takes place internally. That is what called as IC engines. So it is called as internal combustion. What is meant by combustion? Creating heat energy by burning a fuel. Fuel may be anything. It may be a petrol or diesel or kerosene or coal. So mostly from the crude oil. Mostly from the crude oil. In natural gas also it is possible. In human biology also we have an internal combustion engine. What is that? In our body we have a combustion engine is there. Which is that? Our stomach digestion system, exactly, which burns the fuel what we pour inside as a food. It exhales the energy to our body. So that I am able to walk, I am able to speak to you, you are able to listen, you are able to sit, you are able to win in a race. So because of energy production, the purpose of the internal combustion is to produce the energy. To produce the energy. You all know what is meant by energy. What is meant by energy? Capacity to do the work. Energy is nothing but capacity to do the work. How it happens? It should be drawn in a sketch, simple sketch for understanding purpose. If you see any question paper of internal or end semester, you can notice a question which is having what is meant by IC engine. A machine which can produce energy using a fuel is called as a internal combustion engine. It happens internally. That is why it is called as internal combustion engine. If it happens externally, that is external combustion engine. There are examples available. We are burning coal, we are burning fuel outside the engine, which is on the atmosphere. That is said to be external combustion. Burning the fuel outside is said to be external combustion. Burning the fuel inside in a closed chamber is said to be an internal combustion engine. So how it will be useful for your computer science people? You have a control room. If you see a thermal power plant, there is a control room. Have you noticed in a movie, any movie or any visit, you might have noticed there is a control room. The whole process is controlled by computers, numerical controls of coding. That is taken care by computer science engineers. When you are pouring a certain amount of fuel, so you can command the automated machine pour only 5 liters of petrol, pour only 10 kilogram of coal. So you can control from the coding. So that control is done by computer science or electronics engineering of circuit branch. So there you should know the knowledge what is happening inside the mechanics engineering. So these are categorized into two types. Before going into that, how it happens? We are giving energy through fuel. Fuel we are giving to the engine. Which is giving energy. So fuel given in any form, it can be anything. Fossil fuel, coal, petrol, diesel. Specifically in thermal power plant, they use LDO oil, liquid diesel oil. They call in that name. If you take aeroplane, the SAE standard, Society of Automotive Engineers, they have manufacturing separate fuel for the aeroplanes, not like petrol what we are using in our daily life. There is a separate fuel with grade that only can be used in aeroplane or helicopter. So there is a specification requirement. So these are called fossil fuels. Non-fossil fuels are also available. So which is not emitting pollution, that is a non-fossil fuel. That non-fossil fuels are hydrogens, that are all invention. Hydrogens and nuclear, that also emitting pollution, That is not